Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to take a screenshot on Vivo mobile. Friends, you want to take a screenshot on your Vivo mobile, so how to take a screenshot today friends I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you want to take a screenshot with three finger screenshot guys. How to take on Vivo mobile? First of all guys, you will have to on your three finger screenshot setting. So where is three finger screenshot setting? After on phone setting friends, click on shortcut setting, click here, and friends first option as capture friends, click here, and friends you can just slide down with three finger to take a screenshot setting is off on your Vivo phone device. So friends, you cannot take a screenshot with three finger. Friends, you want to take your three finger screenshot on your Vivo phone device. So friends, click here and guys on it. After on friends, now you want to take guys this page screenshot with three finger. So you can take with three finger, and friends click on screenshot. You want to edit your screenshot, so you can edit. Friends click here and you can edit your screenshot from here. So as we will again take a screenshot, edit option. Friends, you want to mark here, so you can mark like that. Friends, you can edit your screenshot. Friends, you want to add any text on your screenshot, so click here. So we will enter screen shot, and guys you can change color from here. Right click, done, and you can edit your screenshot. So like that friends, we can edit a screenshot on your phone device. Click here and you can edit. Friends, you don't want to edit, you can remove it. You want to save and you can cancel from here, save. So a screenshot will save on our file. Friends, you can check, and screenshot will save. So like that friends, we can take a screenshot and we can edit a screenshot on your phone device. So bye guys.